Hey guys, Shannon Mapes here. Today I'm going to demonstrate how to properly perform bird dogs. Bird dogs are not just a great core exercise, but they're also going to help to strengthen and stabilize your erectors in your spine as well as your hips. You'll begin on your hands and knees in a tabletop position. You want your hands directly below your shoulders and your knees directly below your hips. Keeping your core engaged, you're going to extend one leg straight back as you simultaneously extend the opposite arm straight forward. You're going to hold this position for about 2 or 3 seconds before you lower back down and switch sides. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please remember to hit that little thumbs up or leave me a comment. You can also subscribe to my channel to get notified when I post new videos. Snoopy, you gotta start on all fours.